Imagine you're waking up in a city of tomorrow. The alarm clock doesn't jolt you out of sleep. Instead, it gently nudges you awake with a soothing melody perfectly timed to your sleep cycle. Your smart blinds automatically adjust to let in the morning sun, and your coffee machine brews your favorite blend, just the way you like it. As you step outside, you see drones delivering packages while self-driving cars navigate the streets seamlessly. A holographic billboard displays personalized ads based on your interests. All this while you command your personal AI assistant to schedule your day, solve complex queries, or even tell you a joke if you're in need of a laugh. Welcome to the future, a world where AI and automation aren't just concepts, they're an integral part of our everyday lives. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction, but our reality. It's exciting, it's innovative, and it's happening right now. But as with every great leap forward, there are both opportunities and challenges. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating paradox of AI and automation in our next scene. Before we dive into the paradox of AI and automation, let's take a closer look at how they're already influencing our daily lives. Picture this: a typical family in the heart of the city, the Johnsons. As they wake up, their home springs to life. Their AI-powered smart fridge has already reordered milk that's running low. A voice-activated personal assistant greets them with the day's weather forecast, news headlines, and even reminds the kids of their homework due. While they're getting ready for the day, their automated vacuum cleaner silently navigates around the house, keeping the floors spotless. As the night falls, the house adjusts. Lights dim and the temperature drops to a comfortable level, all without a single touch. This isn't a high-tech show home, it's just an ordinary day in the life of the Johnsons. AI and automation aren't just about grand concepts and futuristic visions, they're about the simple, practical ways they can make our day-to-day lives easier. As we move forward, we'll explore the complexities and contradictions of this technology in the next scene. Ever wondered how our daily lives are gradually becoming intertwined with AI and automation? It's like we're living in an episode of The Jetsons, minus the flying cars. Our smartphones, our workplaces, even our coffee machines, they're all getting smarter. It's almost as if they're part of some secret club and we're just along for the ride. But let's take a step back for a moment. What exactly do we mean by AI and automation? In simple terms, we're talking about machines and software that can learn, reason, and act for themselves. Now that might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's happening right here, right now. From self-driving cars to voice-activated personal assistants, AI and automation have become our silent partners, making our lives easier in countless ways. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. By the end of this video, you'll have a distinct picture of how AI and automation are shaping our world, both in beneficial and potentially harmful ways. AI and automation are like the superheroes of the tech world. They're here to save the day, making our lives easier and more efficient. Picture a world where mundane tasks are handled by machines, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and complex challenges. That's the promise of AI and automation. In manufacturing, the benefits are clear. Robots don't need lunch breaks or sleep, they can work around the clock, increasing productivity exponentially. These tireless workers can perform repetitive tasks with precision, reducing the risk of human error. In healthcare, AI is a game changer. Imagine a machine that can analyze thousands of medical records in seconds, pinpointing patterns that might take a human months or even years to find. That's not a distant reality, it's happening now. AI can help diagnose diseases, predict health risks, and even assist in surgeries, offering a level of accuracy and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. Let's not forget about customer service. Ever called a helpline and been greeted by a friendly, automated voice? That's AI at work. These virtual assistants can handle multiple queries at once and are available 24/7, offering a level of customer service that's hard to beat. But like every superhero, AI and automation have their kryptonite. Let's delve into some drawbacks. As amazing as AI and automation can be, they also have their share of pitfalls. Yes, they're not as perfect as they seem. Let's talk about the potential drawbacks of these technologies. First off, job displacement. As AI and automation become more sophisticated, they're capable of taking over tasks previously done by humans. This could potentially lead to significant job losses, particularly in industries like transportation and retail. Picture this: self-driving trucks replacing long-haul drivers, automated checkouts replacing cashiers. While it's true that new jobs may be created as a result, the transition could be painful for many. Then there's the question of privacy. In an age where data is king, AI systems often require vast amounts of personal information to function effectively. This raises serious concerns about how our data is used and who has access to it. Are we comfortable with the trade-off between convenience and privacy? And let's not forget about emotional intelligence. While AI can process information and make decisions at lightning speed, it doesn't possess the emotional understanding that humans do. This lack of empathy and intuition can lead to misunderstandings and mistakes that a human would be unlikely to make. So, as we can see, the AI and automation landscape is not all sunshine and rainbows. It's a mixed bag with both incredible potential and serious challenges. So, we've seen both sides of the AI and automation coin, but what does it all mean? We've journeyed through the bright and dark sides of AI and automation. Now it's time to tie it all together. We've seen how these technologies can drastically enhance productivity, boost profits, and even save lives. But we've also seen how they might displace jobs and potentially widen the gap between the haves and the have-nots. The key here is balance. It's about leveraging the benefits of AI and automation while also mitigating their potential drawbacks. This might involve retraining workers whose jobs are threatened by automation, or implementing policies to ensure that the benefits of these technologies are widely shared and not just concentrated among a select few. AI and automation are tools. Like any tool, they can be used for good or ill. It's up to us to decide how we use them. The future of AI and automation is in our hands. It's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity.